on, come on.
Oh no.
Wait, where the hell?
I don't see you. Supposed to be going, man. Oh yes, the mighty power of lean. Okay.
You're not into that?
Give him a second. No, I'm really
Ron got them cheeks.
Look, he's fit as fuck.
Try to go for it.
It's virtual, it's not gonna
Alright,
do anything.
where is it? Alright, would you rather go to Ohio or Florida? Distance!
Get it, okay. Hi.
You both watch anime?
Yes.
Or not? You are one crazy cameraman, I'm not gonna lie.
Swear to God.
Fine, I'll shut the fuck up, man. My bad.
I'm joking. Would you... Bruh. Alright, would you...
Do ba 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 do do ba do boo do a boo ba do ba do boo boo ba do a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do 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 a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do ba do ba do a do ba do.
Bad man, my bad. So you see, there's an Ohio man. He unplugged my router. I had to beat the shit out of him. I had to kick him in his ass so many times, bro.
I will do the Michael Jackson moonwalk on your corpse.
My bad, my bad.
One of them over